Rocket launcher. We just basically mounted it to a board, just any old board you have laying around. Tie a string, any kind of string, to the trigger, just like so. And then this is the rocket. And we filled it just over halfway with water. Okay, put it on the rocket launcher. Put the trigger this way. We mount it just like that. And you make sure that the trigger is pulled straight like that. And then you can change the angle, loosen this bolt here, and you can change the angle whichever way you want and go straight up. Then you just use a regular bike pump, pump it up full of air. Okay, we filled that thing up with air. We filled it up with about 100 psi. And then all you do is you pull on the string, pull on it gently. Whoa, more hard.
Where did it
It went way up there. Go. Launch number 2. Everybody count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.